Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of seeing my video, if it's your first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. For my OGs, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for always watching my video. So guys, on this video I will show you how I made this crochet jumbo box braiding without any rubber band, just with crochet. So you can see I've showed you what I used. I used the hair extension. I used 2.5 pack, yes. And I cut it into 2. Then I use my small comb, my big comb, my blue magic coconut oil, and my hair wax. That is what I used. So I started by dividing the hair into 2, as you can see. Then after dividing the hair, then I start cutting the hair the sizes that I want. I wanted it to be jumbo. When I mean jumbo, big one. So I try to measure the length I want with my 2 fingers, as you can see. Then I use my comb to cut it there. So guys, at the end of this video, if it's kind of video you like, if you enjoy watching the video, if you learn 1 or 2 things from the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, just give me a thumbs up, leave a comment on the comment section, share the video, and most importantly, subscribe. Okay, subscribe to join this wonderful family. And when you subscribe, on the bell notification, so that whenever I upload a new video, you get notification. Okay, please guys, thank you for your support. So what I did here is, after I have cut the hair the sizes that I want, then I applied my hair wax. Then after that, I start braiding my natural hair without hair extension, without rubber band. As you can see, I just braid it like 1 or 1.5 inches. Then after that, I use my crochet to pass the braid. As you can see, then I put my crochet from under. Then I try to put the braid inside the crochet, as you can see, because I don't have eyes on my back, so I have to do it there. This is when you have to bring out your imagination to imagine that, okay, the braid have entered inside the crochet. Okay, I have to close it. So after I have closed it, then I drag it to the other side, as you can see. Then after that, I did the same thing with the other second braid, the smaller one, because the braid I'm using is not, I can't make it the same size. One has to be bigger than the other. So after that, I start braiding, as you can see. And I did not pass the braid and not do the crochet the same place. The other one is up, then the other one is from the side, as you can see, so that it will balance. If you do it the same place, no, it will not be okay. So you have to do it one from under, one from the side, to balance everything. So after I have put the braid, then I used the small, I have smaller one, 2, and 2 big one. Then that smaller one, I have to make it 1. I will join it together with my natural hair to braid it. so that one will not be bigger than the other one. So that's why I said the one I used two. Out of that two, one is bigger than the other one is smaller. I don't know if I'm even making sense, but I believe you understand what I'm saying. So you can give it a try. You'll be surprised with the results. This one is not, I don't know how to braid hair, I don't know how to grip root of the hair. Just with the crochet you can do it without rubber band. So guys, keep watching and enjoy yourself. All right, bye. god, finally. Oh guys, it's not easy at all. So guys, as you can see, I'm done. I believe if you have watched upon this time, you have given the video a thumbs up, you have subscribed, please don't forget to on your notification bell, okay, so that whenever I upload a new video you get notified. Okay, so guys, this is the end. As you can see, you can do it. You can do it. Just give it a try. Okay, you can do it yourself. That's why it's called DIY. Do it yourself. So guys, I believe you have given the video a thumbs up already. I will see you on my next video. Okay, for now, be safe and take care of yourself. Bye.